administering medication and performing CPR to aid its recovery. After giving it a bath and gently cleaning it with a brush, the little one remained adorable. Providing it with food, the parrot enjoyed playing with the young lady, particularly relishing rubbing against her neck like a dog, hopping joyfully around. Sometimes it even performed little shows for her and developed a liking for baths. When hungry, it would tap on plates, initially bringing back one parrot. It later returned with more companions, whom the young lady also treated with delicious treats.